Hey guys, it's Rowan and Raccoon. I'm wearing Little Ducky's bow. Ducky, and I'm wearing Pony's butterfly. Pony, and I'm wearing Raccoon's hat. And we also have Lion, which is only wearing his wings. But sadly, I lost Arctic Wolf. Tear. But today, more Animal Kingdom surprises! Yes, so I got 2 pink houses, 1 blue house, 2 green houses, 1 orange house, and a chest! I've never got a chest before. This will be exciting. Okay. Okay, so it has the same exact things as a house, but it's in a different container. So let's just start opening. If you've seen the videos where I've opened these before, you can know that they're kind of hard. Or if you've got them before, they are kind of hard to unwrap. Okay, I'm just going to unwrap all of them so I don't have to deal with this. This is my dog Lila. She's cute. Now I'm just going to finish unwrapping my chest and both my pink houses. Okay, I unwrapped everything. Now I'm just gonna open the greenhouse. And here's a little thing. What is this? It's cute. What is it? Okay, where's my gate code? Oh, here it is. This. Okay, I literally have no idea what this is. But it's pretty cute. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Let's see what it is. Okay, so it's a little hamster. Aww. Okay, time to put her back in there. No, put her with the rest of the crap and put her little bowl in there. Oh yeah, I didn't show you her bowl. Her bowl is orange. Okay, open this. That thingy. Here's this. I don't know if I'm gonna get a duplicate or not because I do have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Well, 6 of them already. But then I got a whole other bunch. That's the chest. Gosh, I'm gonna break this off. Gosh, this one's hard to get. Oh, finally. What is that? Okay, I just have no idea what it is, but it comes with a cute little yellow bow. And a red bowl. A red bowl. Well, a red orange. And it's a cute yellow bowl. Bow. I keep saying bowl whenever it's a bow. And this green thing. I'm just like, and it comes with a like red bowl and this yellow bowl and this green thing. Okay, let's find out what it is. That is definitely not a fox because my friend Bella got a fox. And that's not what it looked like. I got a little sugar glider. I think that's right. Yeah, sugar glider. Isn't that cute? I'm sugar glider. But there is a possibility that I might not get a duplicate because of how many I have. Some of the characters don't like to stand up. I'm going to try and get all of them to stand up. That one doesn't want to. Oh, never mind, I got it too. Oh man, I thought I got Ducky to stand up. Well, who cares? Time for the next surprise. Ooh, I think I might open a green. Not green. Orange house. Wait, where's my little card thing? For my other one? Blah, who cares? But I will find it. Oh, here it is. I found it. There we go. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I think I got a little giraffe. Yeah, that's a giraffe. I need to check the checklist. I know what it is. Because I saw the giraffe so many times on the checklist. Yeah, so it's a little giraffe. I'm pretty sure it is a giraffe. Not going to ruin another checklist. Yeah, that's a giraffe. I think it is. Aw. Cute little hat. Look at that hat. It's bold. Ooh. My friend Abby would like this. Aw, but it stinks. Oh, it's like a tealish blue color. Okay, and here's that bowl. Wait, I forgot their homes. Wait, that one's a little campsite. This one was this. Okay, this is gonna take a while. Okay, so yeah. Little giraffe. Okay, I might have to really hurry up and stop fooling around. No, I'm going to open a greenhouse. And then... I'm just going to get the rest of the surprises, like, out. But put them by their thing, so... I got all of them out. This is the pink house one. Okay. What is this? I am so confused. Oh, I think this is a little snake. It's a little snake.
Sorry, everyone.
With wings. It's a little snake with wings. A little snake with wings. Oh my gosh, I love that bowl. So, the little snake got a pink house. Here you go, little snakey. Okay, that.
Almost done.
Yeah, I'm almost done. Now my video's playing. I was just talking to my mom. This is the greenhouse one. Hopefully I can get it open. I'm sorry, people, but I cannot tell you what I'm laughing at. I forgot to check what comes in the blind bag. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to see what that one is because I think it's something, but I'm not sure. I got an ultra rare, the peacock. Oh gosh. Okay.
Rowan,
What?
kitchen's gonna be wet, so don't run.
Okay. What is this goat? Where's the little hole thing? Where's the little hole thing? Oh, there it is. It's hard to see. Well, there's my little ultra rare peacock. Oh gosh, I just went crazy. I can't wait to tell Bella. This is the blue house, and then after this, time for the treasure chest. Oh my gosh, I got another giraffe, but different color. What? That's crazy. So I was gonna lose everything. Oh, that's a cute hat. Look, a party hat. Okay, I really need to calm down. You should have seen what just happened. I was like, Mommy, I got an ultra rare! I mean, I was like screaming. Okay, so yeah, it's a little giraffe. I will love these. Wait, the bowl's supposed to go. Oh yeah, it has a little green bowl. I think my ultra rare peacock has like a little what color bowl is it? I think it's a reddish bowl, reddish oranges. Okay, bump it, bump it, bump. Treasure chest time. Well, I already opened it. Why doesn't this part want to stay on? There, it should stay on now. Okay. It has a little big blue bowl. Is this a different season? Ooh, wow. That's a pretty one. Are they all shiny like that? Oh yeah, this is completely different. They're all shiny. What does a peacock like? Unless it doesn't have a peacock. Oh yes. That's not a peacock. Whatever. Let's see which one I got. Where is it? Wait, where? Oh, here it is. Okay, so this one's pretty. Can't tell which one this is. This might take a while, so. Okay, so I finally found it after a while. It's a Dapper Band, and it is a rare. Ultra rare and rare. It's beautiful, shiny. This little accessory thing, and then a kind of big bowl. Bigger than usual. Oh. Okay, so yeah, that was really fun finding out all the surprises. Okay, so the best part about that whole shebang was this part, the peacock. I'm not trying to brag or anything. I'm just super happy that I got the peacock. Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And don't miss any other of my videos. Bye!